Hey guys, welcome back to the another video. So in this video, we'll be creating a pan chart like this. So let's take our data. So this is my files. So the data is like a customer survey from the east and west region for the financial year. Okay, now let's take out all three variances. I'll take the low, medium, and high. Okay, so first I'll take low at 50%. Then I'll take a medium at 30% and high as 30%. Now go to the insert and go to the chart option. Here I'll choose combo chart. While selecting the chart, I'll change the uh, remarks here from the I'll choose the line with marker for east and west, and for other three metrics I'll choose the stacked column. Now I'll click OK. So this is my basic chart is prepared. Now what we can do, we will click here and go to the format chart area. So basically not this. So I'll select any column here. Now I'll go to the chart area and I'll decrease this width, grip width. I'll make it 0. Now my chart will look like this. Now I'll go and I'll change the color accordingly to green, yellow and red. So I'll choose this red one. This is like darker red. I can change this color from the another red. Okay, this is the light red. Now I'll choose the another color for the yellow one. I'll use this yellow, and now this I'll choose this green, the light green one. So this is how our chart will look like. Okay. So now what we can do, we can change the chart title here. So we will rename it to the customer survey. That's it, guys. The chart is ready, and hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel for the more notification and the future updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.